Okay, here's some more good questions. This first one says expresses a single logarithm. In other words, they want me to squish this. So I have ln of x squared minus 4 minus the ln of x plus 2. So I see two lns, and there's a subtract there, so it's a quotient rule. So I'm going to go ln of, on the top, x squared minus 4, and on the bottom, x plus 2. Now that's the quotient rule, but it also says to simplify if you can. And so on the top, I can factor that to x minus 2, x plus 2. And on the bottom, that there's an x plus 2 there. And so this x plus 2 will cancel with that one. So your final answer will be ln of x minus 2. Number 13 is an interesting one. So these are the base numbers that I have to use, 2, 3, and 4, in order to get 72. So I could write log 72 as log base A of maybe 8 times 9. And then I can use the product rule to split those. Log base A of 8 plus log base A of 9. But I still don't have 2 3s or 4s. So with the log base A of 8, maybe I'll write that as log base A of 4 times 2 plus log base A and 9, I'll write it as 3 times 3. And then I can break this up using the product law. So log base A of 4 plus log base A of 2. This one I'll do the same, plus log base A of 3 plus log base A of 3. Now that I have it down into all of these numbers here, like the 2, the 3, and the 4, I can just replace this whole thing with what the log base A of 4 is, 1.386, plus log base A of 2, 0.693. Log base A of 3, 1.099. Log base A of 3, 1.099. And then just add all those together. Okay, number 14. Whoops. Better erase that. Whoops, I erased too much. Oh no. I think I remember what it says. I'm going to move it down here a bit. So for number 14, it was ln of the cube root of 8. Now cube roots and lns are tough, so I'm going to change that to a fractional exponent. So it'll be 8, and then there'll be an exponent here that's a fraction. This index always goes on the bottom, and then whatever power 8 is raised to, which it doesn't show, but we assume it's 1, that number goes on the top. Now the question says to write it as a product, which means multiply. Well, if I have something up there, a power, I can use the power rule to bring that out front. So it'll be 1/3 ln of 8. That's how you could rewrite that one. Okay, the last one. 3.7 to the x equals 44. To solve this, I'll just change it to log form. So it's log base 3.7 of 44 is equal to x. And then just type that in your calculator. All right, hopefully that helps you with those 3 questions.